Hey there, here is Pangu app, which is quite popular. So this is how it's spelled. Pangu Race Virtual Pets. So you can download it, and with this app you can just create pet widgets and play games with friends and install these pet widgets on your home screen. And you need to take care of this widget with your friends. So your ultimate virtual pet experience, immerse yourself in a captivating virtual pet world that captures the essence of classic virtual pet games. Here you can raise your very own adorable penguin, play engaging games, and connect with friends in this delightful virtual pet adventure. So this is for the fans of Tamagotchis, digital pets, pet simulators. Pangu offers a unique mix of low care games and entertainment. You can compare it with friends, with with colleagues, and then there are also some mini games, and there are also some rewards and achievements. And of course, you can add a widget. So let's just open it up. So here's how the app looks like. You just then need to create an account, and then you see like your Pangus, which you can see here that here is how it looks like. I tried to raise it, but this is kind of like your digital pet. You need to take care of it daily. If you don't take care of it, it will die. So here it is. Then you can just add the widget. So for example, if I just tap and hold and just try to search for Pangu, I can add the Pangu widget. See, you and your friends cute Pangu right on your home screen, and I just adding it here. I can just tap and I just added it. Also, you can add it on the lock screen. And yep, then if you wanna, you can add more friends. And then basically you can search for contacts or, just, just basically add those friends to raise Pangu together. And then, you can just install those widgets. And
I can create anything for you.
Unfortunately, there are ads.
Just describe your idea.
In like weird ads in this app, which is a bit annoying, but I guess that's the same developer who also built like a chat on. They also built Pangu. So yep, here it is, and then yep, here you have you can change your username, you can see your FAQ and support. So yep, there it is. Basically, if you wanna, I can revive it. You can also see some packages where you can just buy all of these diamonds and coins and gems. So that's just what it is. So all right, so you need like 50 coins to do that. So you can always restart it. So here it is. So you can just tap to restart it. You can also get like gift. And here is the Pangu. You can enter the name. Then you can see here's the XP level, and then you can tap the food item at the bottom of the screen, do the different things just to to raise the XP of this pet. And you see that you need to invite a friend. You can only raise this pet with a friend, so you need to send a notification. Then you can go to the store and then just get some things for free, for example, things like that. And then you just raise the XP level of the pet, and you need to take care that this pet doesn't die, and that you always got food for it, you take care of it and all of that. And then you can also chat, but of course this is not just you chatting with some virtual pet, you are also interacting with your friends. So this is like you are raising the pet with your friend. You can also play some games. As you can see here, there are some games. which a bunch of games here, and this app is building up a lot of stuff. It's much improved. So yeah, and then there is like a diary, what's happening. Then there is like inventory, which you can just open up. And then you can see this. All right, so you can also sell it, for example. And then you can collect some additional coins. So now I have 388 coins. It's pretty nice. And then I also can buy all of the different things. But yep, you need to, spend money to buy coins otherwise. So you need to buy like $2 is 300 coins. You can also just get coins for free by watching ads, or you can get some food by watching ads. So you can also do that. So yep, basically that's the idea. And then yeah, food is good, love is good. So you can just do that, and then you can see here. Then of course you will need to buy food for coins, and you will need to buy all of the stuff for coins. So yep, that's the process. And then of course you have like ads in the top part where you can just watch something and get it for free. And then yeah, you just have this widget like that appearing here. And then also you can just go to wallpaper. Oh wait, so here, and then you can set up like a lock screen widget. So you can just tap add widgets, and then you can just add Pangu. So here you can just add it like that, and then you just add it like this. So there you have it. That's how it works. That's how you can add Pangu widget also as a lock screen. It's pretty cool app. There are a bunch of apps in this category where you just have virtual pad widget. There is widgetable app. There is a bunch of like widgetable PokePad, like Pixel Pals, Finch, which you can also is quite popular. So yeah, a bunch of those. There is Peridot. There was like another app in this category, but seems this is this removed or not? I have no idea. So if I just search for it. So yep, that's just what you have. But yep, so give a try to this app. It's pretty cool. I think it's built by well-known developer Slay, which is they built a bunch of other viral apps like W app for real apps, so a bunch of teenager apps which they built. So it's like very popular app developer team. So give a try to this app.